I find it hard to recall how this all began, if it ever did at all. Time is of the essence, better listen as I speak, cause I tell you of a being I could make a grown man weep. Ravenous beast, scourging souls in the shadows, rip apart your spirit just to stop you winning battles. Mystifying, petrifying, people sobbing, people crying, brave enough to look at this. Better grab your crucifix, listen to the whispers in your ear just to see if you recognise this thing you feel so much as being me. Transformed by a pure blood, trick to trickery. When I'm flowing, I'll be knowing as a thing it's sick to be. Picture me as a young man, but loose and fancy free. No idea about the underworld, the shit that I would see. Bewildered in the wilderness, the light can never find me. For elements, my children, and not creeping up behind me. Ridiculous. I'm stalked by suspicious tests, bigamous hypnotists commanding you to slit your wrists. I'll never walk away. See, I thrive in confrontation. You don't want to be around when I begin my transformation.
Outside, no man is safe from. There's a war going on outside, no man is safe from. There's a war going on outside, no man is safe from. There's a war going on outside, no man is safe from.
Captain Underpants in the fucking building, people guard your children. We came in to throw fingers at advanced alarm systems. Start shit we can't finish and get battled over matters of opinion. Mr. Loki, the old school slap about, so keep acting hard while we worry what we rap about. Hot statements, my metaphors block payments, so pass the torch, stop acting like spoiled babies. Slim pickings, cloud strife in a dark room, stark like Saturn in the north with a chalk moon, scar like a harpoon. Not Yarrow Van Chackle, cock caravan, Chackle, that's my spoon. Left the name furrowed in a chrysalis, make chrysalis and 37 busy lifting drinks. Fuck who's spitting the dopest pros. We'll try to show our shadows back on so we can hold them close.
Outside, no man is safe from. There's a war going on outside, no man is safe from. There's a war going on outside, no man is safe from. There's a war going on outside, no man is safe from.
Now I feed off the flesh of the second best. As the rest flows into the hunt as a hunger manifests. The genre's my lifeline, it keeps me protected. I raw talent exposed on the day I was infected. Me and hip-hop are old friends but still the new buzz. Only thing was the cusp person that introduced us, that produced us thus, causing a fuss when they include us in any of the underground gigs. Glasgow exclusive. The sound is getting bigger, never twisted the better. Twice as strong and quicker, hold your lines and deliver. Think what I'll do if it's necessary to fight. You fake left and go right, I'll be the soldier to right. You with the heart and beats the tempo that you're writing your rhymes. The blood boils to the rhythm as I knew them beside you. When you're awake you'll know nothing but the music will find you. Overcome you completely, trigger something inside you. Embrace what you are, accept what you became. Open up the veins and eradicate the lean, cause there's no place for the team. But them and never leave till there's a war going on outside that's underneath you.
There's a war going on outside, no man is safe from. There's a war going on outside, no man is safe from. There's a war going on outside, no man is safe from.
And a tide of anger and retribution will spill out into the night. Differences will be set aside. Allegiances will be made. And soon, I will become the hunted.